Oh no! At least 400 earthquakes have struck Hawaii. Hi, I'm Sean Awesome, and oh my god, those poor people can get a break. The volcano that erupted uh, in Kilauea, I think, caused untold amount of earthquakes. Oh my god. And in other news, in Central America, Nicaragua's in trouble again. I used to think the most dangerous country in Central and Latin America was El Salvador, but apparently, according to I don't know, Google or somebody, is actually Venezuela because of the political unrest. But back to Hawaii, I guess there is always a price for living in paradise. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 6 days a week. Actually, I do 1 or 2 videos a day, 6 days a week. I get Sundays off. As always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.